Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today also I'm going to take up an English speaking session in which I'm going to take up one conversational topic which is very commonly spoken about. I'm going to give you the reference also how I got this idea or how this discussion comes up in our conversations, and I'm going to talk about it, how you can also speak on it in an organized and right way to sound more fluent and confident in speaking in English. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm going to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. And do not forget to write your comments in the comment section. Guys, it is a social media platform. It is a platform where you can exchange your thoughts and ideas and you can represent yourself. Okay, so break the ice. Come up with something and write it there. Start engaging with people. Start interacting with people. Now let's get back to the topic. So I'll give you a context. So yesterday I had a get together at my place and my best friend was here with me. We really enjoyed a lot. We chit-chatted a lot. And then suddenly this topic came up where we remembered our old memories. We started remembering our memories and we started talking about our college days and how much fun we used to have, etc, etc. So today I'm going to pick up this topic and I'm going to speak on it. Like I'm going to take up old memories or memories. So we do talk about our good memories, our bad memories, right? Something bad has happened. We do speak about it sometimes, not very often, but we also talk about happy moments, happy memories also, and we very much talk about it. Very often we talk about it. Like when we are having a conversation about school or colleges, we do remember our times and we compare it, right? So these are also our memories which we speak about during our conversation. So that is why I've taken up this topic and I'm going to speak on it. So let's talk about our college memories, right? I'm going to speak about mine. You can talk about yours in this way. So we can start with how was our college life like. Okay, so we can give a description about how was it like. Now you can't endlessly talk about it. This is a topic where we can talk about it endlessly. Like, right, we did a lot of things during college days. But during conversations, we can't talk endlessly. We have to give space to others also. So when we are talking about how was our college life like, we have to give a sneak peek into it. A trailer, an introduction sort of. Okay, like we really had a lot of fun during our college life. It was really memorable. The time we spent in college was unforgettable. We made a lot of good friends and we still have a lot of them with us today. And I think our friends made our college life very special. Okay, so this was just a sneak peek about how was my college life like. Okay, so I chose to highlight my friends and the fun part of it, how it was interesting, it was unforgettable, we made a lot of memories there. So I want to highlight that. If you want to highlight something else, like if you want to speak about your college specifically, you can just talk about it. Like the campus was huge, we really had great time in the campus. The professors were also very cooperative, very friendly, and they mentored us very well. Okay, so this is also, this is another aspect of what you want to highlight. So you need to choose what you want to highlight at this point of time where you are giving an introduction or you're talking about how is your college life like. Okay, so this is one thing. Next, what you can talk about is you can probably choose one incident or choose one situation and you can speak on it. Like if I want to choose a situation, like what we did on weekends. How was our weekends and weekday like, probably if I want to talk about. I've chosen this. You can choose about your studies, you can choose about any exhibition or annual event which used to happen every year in college. You can choose to say what you used to do in the cafeteria or during lunch breaks, right? So we can choose a situation and then we can speak on it specifically about it, not in general right now. Okay, so I've chosen what we used to do during weekends and weekdays. Okay, so I'll say weekdays were pretty hectic. We used to go to the college early in the morning, like by 9 a.m. we have to reach there, and we used to come back by 5:30. So it was a long day, and if there was any break or any lecture was cancelled, we used to stay back in the campus only. And our favorite part was to go in the cafeteria and eat samosas and Maggi. So that was our favorite part. But during weekends, we always used to go out. We wanted to go and explore the city. We wanted to explore the food. We wanted to have fun during weekends. So Saturdays and Sundays were something like we want to go out. We always used to go out and we used to go for shopping. We used to go to eat something. We used to go to watch movies or just random mall visits, etc. Whatever we used to plan and we used to execute, that we used to do. But weekends, we have to go out just to get ourselves refreshed for another week. So this was a routine during weekends and weekdays. Okay, so this is how you can talk about specifically about what you did during weekends or weekdays, or whatever you want to highlight, whichever thing you want to talk about specifically. Okay, then the last part is, of course, you have to conclude something, right? You have to conclude, you have to end the conversation. So how do you do that? So here what differently you can do is you can just compare now and then, right? So I'll say, but I feel our college times were different than today's. We used to study hard, we used to enjoy, we used to wisely spend our money, we used to take care of a lot of things. But nowadays things are very different. Either the kids focus on studies completely, or they want to focus on enjoyment or extracurricular activities. So times have changed, things are changing, mindsets are changing. So that is why this generation is very different than what we used to be. So this is how we end the conversation, right? Another way of concluding the whole conversation is, when I remember my college days, I'm really thankful that I got an opportunity to study in that college, make friends, and be on my own. And I think I've got a lot of opportunities to make myself better every single day. And I'm very proud of it. Okay, so this is another way of ending that conversation, right? So either of this you can choose. You can choose something else also to end your conversation, but it's just that you have to conclude. So that is the last part. So whenever you are having a conversation and you're talking about on this topic, you should know how to start, what will be the content and the end, right? And it's not necessary that it has to be a 5 minutes speech. Just 2-3 lines in the introduction, just 3-4 lines in the content, and then 2-3 lines in the conclusion. And that's it, right? So this is how your conversation will sound more interesting and organized. And the people who are there will be interested in listening to you, and they will also start contributing to your conversation, right? And this is how we start talking to each other, isn't it? So guys, take up this topic, start practicing with me, and you can add your own ideas, you can come up with your own script and start talking about it. But do practice English speaking in this way. This will make your speech more clearer and your communication more fluent and confident. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.